Okay, here's a charcoal update. Not that I've given charcoal reviews before, but I was at Smart Food Service this weekend and I saw this LAZZARI mesquite charcoal for sale for approximately $16.50 for this 40-pound bag, as compared to what I usually use, the B&B 20 pounds for about about $22, something like that. So I bought it. And I've used all kinds of different charcoals for grilling. Everything from Kingsford, Fogo, Kamado Joe, Jealous Devil, B&B over there is my favorite. But I thought I'd give this a try. Looked it up online, and it appears that they've been around since 1908. They might be the biggest supplier of charcoal to the restaurant industry. Blah, blah, blah. So it really surprised me. And as I dug in and started to look at it, it looks really good. It looks like some really good charcoal. And it's darn cheap. So pretty excited. I'm gonna give it a try tonight. I'm gonna load up the hopper and start it up and fire it up and see what we get. But if this is what it says it is, there's Lola over there, she's checking stuff out. If it's as good as it's supposed to be, then I'm going to be sold, and I'm going to buy this stuff forever, especially if I can get it for $16.50 for 40 pounds. I don't want to say it's incredible, but it's pretty good. That's a pretty good thing. So I'm going to update this video. There's nothing on the YouTube about this charcoal and what it does and how it does it. Well, I mean, come on, it's charcoal. So, yeah, call a spade, I guess. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, okay. Okay, so I got some dumped in the flue, or the chimney. Not a whole lot, but I'm not grilling anything big, just a small little T-bone. Let that fire up. Put it on there, and we'll see what happens. See how long it takes to get going. Probably not very long. But like I said, if this works out well, I'm gonna be sold. Okay, here's what I got. The fire is raging. It's blazing. This has been awesome. Really good stuff. It's gonna be crazy hot. No complaints. And that's what I'm gonna be cooking. So far, I'm pretty impressed. We'll see what happens. Let that heat up and I'll throw the steak on. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna cut this video short because I just wanted to talk about the charcoal, not necessarily about how I'm cooking stuff. So far, the LAZZARI, I think, is going to be a winner. Out.